Yeah, so let me show you guys my studio where I think it's probably close to $500,000. Yeah, so before you consider working with me, you must know the following. Any project that you produce here in this studio or you record here belongs to me. It belongs unless you and I agreed otherwise. Automatically anything you produce in this studio belongs to me. Real production is not only sitting here doing these things, FL Studio. Real production is spending money, investing in these things. We spend a lot of money. Now, if you don't understand what I mean, let me give you an example. If you have bought studio equipment, you know how much this speaker is. Speaker that says regular iPhone. Super expensive. MIDI. Now the problem is, because I didn't know that some of these things are for free, I spent a lot of money on softwares like plugins. I was actually buying them from the $500, you name it. I've spent a lot of money, probably close to 100,000 buying softwares because I didn't know that the boys can get it for free. Remember I've invested back in 2021. This is like 4 years ago, and many more plus subwoofer here. I think it was around about 20,000, 15 to 20,000. Then this PC, now guys, you see this PC here. This PC, I bought it for 80,000 rand. This PC is 80,000 rand. So I wanna get wrong. What was more expensive as well is doing this in the room. You see these black things? Show them around. You see these black things? I think it was about 45,000. 45 to 50,000 to do the baby jar. It's not really soundproofing, but it's everywhere, so that neighbors don't complain. I also have a set of CDJs that I no longer use. I have about 6 decks. I have 6 decks. Here's one. Another one is in here, as you can see. So I have many of these things. I do just Wangusha utamo, utoja nandos yaka, utoja KFC yaka, utoja nalwala yaka, masaras waka, computer yaka, piyara chak. Hey punch, 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 hey punch. Malavesh, upula. Saba one regala Ferraris gift monak.
Full logo
Ferra.
Full logo regala yunchika.
Yeah, gala bon Ferra no you on a need.
Nga go reginto.
Into.
Outlina mal full of senior meso would nama separa one silkish. Ob senior on Hahoka Colo.
Yeah, ibili abam pilmist albagam ho lango poch bona lena ba go ba le jealous tako bo tsongana go haya sta ba rona le jealous ka rona le jealous una le nyoko raka mist alba o clean man o tlo bona gore le nna tsang kontlo ya ga botse fo ba nyoko ke una le chila man le cleaning mala man. Yes mama.
Yeah.
I got trained. I'm trying to make
What's trader?
Trade. You know the first rule of trading, you never teach people you love.
But you always teach other people. Why can't you teach me?
I don't love them.
Right. So.
Also, you are
helping them make money.
I know, but
make a few cents. Yeah.
But psychologically, this thing is not healthy for you now. You're still very young.
No, hey, I guess I'm starting now at a young age.
Oh, so you wanna learn?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Nana, what the trade again? Buy with the JPY. Profit hour. How is it? Okay. Out close.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey.
Okay. I'll tell you now. Okay. So you're greedy, eh?
正常。
Oh, okay. I'll tell you now. You've made almost 5,000.
No，就上。
Okay. I'll tell you. Okay. Nana. Never phone like a mole. Oh, okay. I will not do one second.
Papa，
Yes, now. King.
现在地嘞？
Ah, it's just the market. The Forex. I don't know what a Forex. What's that 60 rand? Oh, what a trade again? I don't know what a trade. It's 50 rand. It's like a Forex. Why not? Why is it to trade a Forex? Angel? Hey, Abby, what do you want?
Coach, why are you crying, my guy?
Ash, the love people give me is too much, bro. It's making me emotional. FBK Market has processed over 64 million in withdrawals since 2021. Thank you to my people. It's making me emotional, my man. I come from a shack, man. I was born with nothing, bruh. Nothing, no hope, nothing, bruh. Fast forward, bruh. My broker processes over 64 million in payouts to different people. Thousands of lives changed, bruh. It's making me emotional. It's making me emotional. 450 clients, 450,000 clients. It's making me emotional.
The guy from Mabutot.
Even though it's working. Anyways, November we're celebrating 4 years of FBK Market. I'm speaking to my partners. We're planning on allocating at least almost 600,000 for out in prices for the next 3 months. The love and support is too much. Johannes Kop. We are going.
Kiagai.
We are going to Beruso.
Kemolong fa.
Mulunga malo wa Beruso. Out of Robato Patoring.
Patoring. Temno mo. Ubona thata kam khoke apere we. Aw ke uti jo. When you want a problem kam khoke apere.
Wa bere mo ke king de mo pingan.
Ema sema ira blema maslema ba para du checha wala sengal blele sele ba.
Mara skopo mara
Naka ke nne montsho ko mka nna le njaja. What's wrong with my outfit? O bona bothata mo.
skopo ska dira dede.
A ke mone ke ra o bona bothata mo mone. O mpotse o bona bothata we le mona.
O bothata ke nte pinki.
Iche into.
Ke nte ke no understand nore
Ma
ke.
ere ba parambo.
Okay.
Ba parambo. A le na
Ba para di roko.
Ka kudu ba.
Ma para di roko.
Exactly. So what's wrong?
Mara asiroko. Ivan. Bala dia taje jero holo balo rutirga bala.
O ra gore mona o bona re ke eng ntwe.
Ke yo.
LV.
Ra size ga.
A size ga go gore.
Ano wa par size ma.
Ga re ke mangana o motse ba gana la LV wen. E mona e bona ntwe ke eng. Wa bona re ke eng ntwe. A ga na gona mthulu ka motho ka tana la go ntwe mo. Ba LV ya ntwe e bela la ga size ba itse. LV ke LV. Doesn't matter size man. Molo tsana ka ile.
Bolo ya molo man.
Molo ko check ra iPhone 17 Pro Max ora e gona na.
Alright.
Le na twa thata ba la keng le nya tsa batho le. Le na thata ba la nya tsa batho. Sama Tom ke batho ba kae ba ba tseba go ba ya go molo ba per LV ye. Ba driver Ferrari, ba per so.
Rokwe.
Ke batho ba kae ba tseba. Nkara.
Mthata ke roko.
Tata le shafel ka re pula tsa batho. Mfala phela bophelo ba gago ka moggo go dira go happy ka go. O go je tlogela di pula tsa batho ba dira dilo ba impressa batho ba maka mehlole ka mo. Na ka koloto motho ngwana. Wa le bona thata.
A go bona bothata fe. Mara o tsopo tsa pe ka mo.
O topola ke.
O tsopo tsa we hore ntwe tla ga e. Rokwe. O ntshitse sero. Le moeto.
Lambody shame ba.
O realize gore rena ba le re bitsa go di scamera. Re bohlokwa ge go etlana go ya di make dance ya ngwana ge. We no go rutega degree ya ke re wa re nna di dire di makaga di exist. Re na di dire di makaga ke di scammer di exist. O realize ge na kwa matric dance ya ngwana ge no are se si or abuti go pela kolo ya matric dance o bona gore ga botsotsi salary ko le re kile ka salary ya gago e o re go legitimate a go berekela ngwana ge ira ndwalo ya go le ya matric dance ona no phone ya rena di scammer le na le re tala masepa le no ya ga matric dance wa mfano mongwa ka e wa ana le ka problem kom support mara le na ba bangalanye ke le lebelela ka kudu ka na matric dance le manyalo ge o nyala gore ke nyaka go nne ke nyala ke na mele slasa sa scamera or ke slasa o bona o slop or ke week rena ma Forex rena di dira stona renta di koloi e rent lo ene re bona o ishingwana le matric dance